Once you log into the online GED Social Studies course, you will see your course homepage. This page shows the main course sections, including the course bonuses. Click on the course overview. You'll notice the course overview video. You can click on it to play the video. Next, you can click on the lesson and core subject matter section. This is the meat of the course. Once you click on the button, the lessons will appear. The 4 lessons of this section appear and the first lesson is populated to the main screen to the right. You can view the lesson objectives and course introduction. When you click on the second lesson of this section, the lesson video and subject notes guide will populate to the main screen to the right. You can click on the download button to display the subject notes guide on your screen or simply print it out to follow along with the video lesson. When you click on the third lesson of this section, the lesson practice test will populate to the main screen to the right. Enter your name and email address and click Submit. You will then be able to take the quiz. The quiz is designed to prepare you for the types of questions you will see on the real GED Social Studies test. Your goal is to get a minimum of 7 of the 10 questions correct. The score of 7 indicates that you have a grasp of the necessary concepts and are ready to go. When you click on the 4th lesson of this section, the core materials populate to the main screen to the right. The core materials represent worksheets that build your awareness of areas of test focus while giving you valuable practice reading and answering questions. You simply click on the download button to display or print out the worksheet. Next, you view the course bonuses. The first bonus is a free subscription to office hours. Office hours are scheduled times for you to bring questions to our teacher and get questions answered. The second course bonus is a compilation of our top 3 live classes that we have taught over the years. Just like the sections above, simply click to view and access the content. It's now time to complete the course.